जय श्रीमन्नारायण 605th नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 64th sloka. Om Samksheptre Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha Sri Rangesa Purohitaha Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman Shreyase Me Astu Bhuyase. Om Samksheptre Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who constrains, who limits the wisdom, Jnana Shakti of the soul. Though every soul has unlimited Jnanam, because they are in this cycle of birth and death, because they are attached with this Prakriti, and then they will be performing activities which are prescribed by Vedas, like Yajna, Yaga and other activities. But they will be more attached to the fruits of their activities. Then, because of that attachment, because of that expecting the fruits, O Bhagavan, you are the one who help them experience, enjoy the fruits of their actions by limiting their Jnana Shakti, by constraining their Jnana Shakti in order to have them enjoy the fruits of their own actions. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Samksheptre Namaha. Om Samksheptre Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindha Kanda, Tara saying to Hanuma, O Hanuma, I love my Vali a lot. If you keep hundreds of sons like Angadas on one side and my big hugging to Vali on one side, you know what I would pick? The hugging to Vali is my best thing. That is what I would pick, and that is what is most weighing thing out of both. To that extent I love my Natha Vali. O Hanuma, you said you go ahead and do samskaram to Vali and do pattabhishekam to Angada. I cannot do that, Hanuma. All these things supposed to be done by Sugriva only. O Hanuma, now you may say that your mother, you should do that. No. Pitahi bandhuhu putrasya namata harisattama. For a son, father is the best bandhu, the relation. In these circumstances, Sugriva is the best one to Angada. And Hanuma, if you ask about myself, I don't need anything on this earth. Not only that, I don't need anything even in upper worlds other than my Nada Vali. Vali is my everything. Like that, when Tara is saying, Vali slowly opening his eyes and taking breath, and then first he has seen Sugrivam Dadarsa. Vali has seen Sugriva, and with all of his love towards Sugriva, Vali saying that, oh my dear brother Sugriva, I sent you out of the kingdom. Please don't get me wrong. Please don't think that I am bad person. Oh Sugriva, I have taken your wife. Please don't get me wrong for that reason. Please don't think that I am a bad person. But at that time, because of my bad thoughts and because of my bad buddhi, those things have been done by me. But naturally, I am not that bad. Oh Sugriva, and we both are brothers. This relation cannot be changed because this is the relation given by Sakshat Paramatma. It is Daiva Sankalpam. And the pleasures, the kingdom pleasures, also given to us by Paramatma. Oh Sugriva, now you go ahead and get coronated, get Pattabhishekam to this kingdom. Now I am going to go to Yamalokam. Sugriva, now my life is going to be ended here. I realize that this kingdom is not going to come along with me. Sugriva, my life is going to be ended here. I realize that none of the luxuries, pleasures, wealth of this kingdom is going to come along with me. Oh Sugriva, my life is going to be ended here, and I have a great fame and great name on this earth that nobody can kill Vali. Even that fame also not going to come along with me. Oh Raja Sugriva, now whatever that I am going to tell you, you may not like it, but if you do that, what I say, it would be good. What it is my son Angada. I raised him with all of my love. Now Angada, Bashpapurna Mukham, his eyes are filled up with tears because now I am going to die. He is unable to take this. He is crying. He's fell on the floor. Oh Sugriva, you please take care of my son just like as your son. Maya hinam ahinardham sarvatah paripalaya. O Sugriva, even though I am not on this earth, Angada should not be feeling this vacuum. To that extent, you have to take care of him in all aspects and respects. Whenever he is in need of something, you should be the one who should give that one to him. Whenever he is in trouble, you should be the one who should get those troubles rid of. Whenever he is in fear, you should be the one should remove that fear. To that extent, O Sugriva, please take care of my son Angada. And also, Angada is such a great, strong man. He is equivalent to you almost. O Sugriva, whenever you have a fight with any Rakshasas, Sugriva would be the first one to kill all of them. To that extent, he is strong, he has great speed, and he is young. He can help you in all aspects. Like that, Vali giving the responsibility of Angada to Sugriva. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा राम, हे हे सीताराम, हे हे सीताराम. 64th श्लोका from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. अनिवर्ती निवृत्तात्मा संक्षेप्ता क्षेमकृच्छिवः श्रीवत्सवक्षाः श्रीवासः श्रीपतिः श्रीमतांवरः. अनिवर्ती निवृत्तात्मा संक्षेप्ता क्षेमकृच्छिवः श्रीवत्सवक्षाः श्रीवासः श्रीपतिः श्रीमतांवरः. ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.